Where una dey? Mugu. This lazy tenants who I get. I pity those people when they go work by 8, they still sleep. Mona, come on, sir. Come on, put somebody in case. Huh? Not be people at the top.
Landlord.
Your father.
Landlord.
Your mama. Oh, una dey trade. Madness, all of una. See this your charity dey come out.
Wow.
You dey own yourself. Una person get house for village. Before person go pack come out for this house this morning. Anybody wey no come out now go pack come out for this yard.
Now today they hear that one.
How they say close when you go work yesterday night you go like that.
Landlord, calm down.
Now which wahala again now?
Shoe. Na me una dey talk to.
Oga landlord talk, I dey go market.
I the kakiramu. You are the one that call us online.
Your father. You don't go better for you.
Landlord, now what will happen now?
You dey holla for me.
Landlord, no, we dey talk with you. They washing now, you know, say, may you talk with you.
You dey fast forward me. Not be my compound be this. You walk come out now.
Talk now.
Huh? Now my house be this. You know how much they say bag of cement? I won't make this great Ayakata compound get caretaker. That my house was built. I don't finish them. Mona no give me for here. Ma kukuma come out for now. Go back there. I dey find caretaker. We go handle this yard well. Nyafu. Hold up well. I don't need una. Una dey para this tomorrow.
Okay, landlord. You know, say for this year, people wait people and we know, but we dey wait for you. May you talk and since. So, this is our neighbor. You see Okpabe. Okpabe $300. And then they do pastor. But I don't know why.
Landlord. No be everything wey man go do. Woman go fit do am again. I so dem give am to my handle am.
You dey talk on behalf of woman. You dey share. You better say you be woman rapper.
Don't disturb my wife. Now wetin be that? Now wetin be that?
You better say you don't dey go in house when the husband come out.
No, I tell you the truth now. You fit handle am.
You no go fit collect caretaker.
Oga landlord, let's turn up you so I'm coming. I'm coming. Say I couldn't make your wallahi.
Of course, you go again and Nkwabi.
Nkwabi your mama, Nkwabi your papa, Nkwabi all on village people. Una know say if no be as Okpabi village people dey follow am up and down for don finish in house for village. Who carry the caretaker give am? Okpabi. Now you be the caretaker.
Okpashos Okpabi.
God bless you.
No be say you be the landlord. Na caretaker you be.
My compound people. Yes.
Okpashos Okpabi.
Yakata good people.
Yes.
Elected.
Landlord, I thank you. I can't thank all of una. Well, all of us live for this compound, so as all of una join hands together, una say na me Okpabi go be the caretaker. Landlord, what I promise you be say I go caretaker everybody wey dey this compound.
Na wetin I dey find.
Correct. Even you, I go caretaker you. So everybody wey dey this compound, I go caretaker. Oh no! I still get permit inside though.
You know go caretaker me na my house be this.
So
you go
I will go inside now. Go bring her out. Oh, in fact, Musa.
I'm coming.
Musa.
I'm coming.
Go my house.
Yeah, I'm coming.
You go bring that permit. You go drink her here.
I'm
for the enjoyment.
Catch your permit.
Mona dey jolly. Man dey go Mona meeting this morning.
Yes.
You go bring him. Na 25 oh. The thief forget lot.
I'm coming. Don't let your hand come here run the key.
First come out.
No.
So we finish him.
We finish her.
Nah, ma we gonna come.
Everybody, make una come outside, oh! Make una come outside. Oh!
Again.
Everybody, make una come outside.
Now you coming out.
Make una come outside. I know say that since when landlord give me this opportunity as caretaker, now today I dey the Zoom office. So I want suggest say from tomorrow, no be suggestion. From tomorrow, we go dey do morning prayer for this compound.
Objection, my lord. I dey tell you, say, this thing where you dey talk now, I no like her.
Me, I dey pray for room.
I dey pray, I dey pray. What do you consign us consign general money prayer?
I'm coming. Ina yi adua a cikin gidana.
Me, I be prayer warrior.
Kullum nika adua a cikin gidana.
I know say everybody dey pray, but family that stays together do what? Prays together. So all of us we go dey pray here. Na him be the thing.
So, I'm coming.
Now you dey feed us. No be you dey feed us.
No problem.
Fine.
We just dey go pray. But he go dey snap you every morning. And we go pray.
Another thing now be say, make everybody bring out 50-50 naira.
Wait. 50 for waiting.
for waiting.
Na squanderer fee.
Squander waiting.
Beke. Which one
I'm
be
coming.
squander
Catch us
fee
one
again?
dollar.
You no dey serious.
When I bring the 50-50 naira.
I no get.
Biko, my fellow tenants.
If you no pay now,
maybe.
when you wan pay your house rent, I go comot am.
You know, say me, I know they like trouble.
Na so.
This is my last card. This
I dey squanderer fee wetin concern me.
Abeg take it like wahala.
You leave your wife, may him pay your own.
Na for squanderer fee. Wetin happen be say una see that pame wey una drink yesterday. All of una just dey busy. Hold on, we drink 10 cups, we drink 5 cups. Na dey drink and dey drink and
No
dey
be
drink.
you bring her come out.
I know say na me drink and come out now. Na dey drink am.
If you say me finish am now.
Una think say I be Father Christmas. We go just bring drink for una. All of una go dey drink.
I no can understand.
Oga landlord, you no get how drink paper.
Na the money na I collect like this o.
Wait, caretaker.
Maybe I wait.
No, wait, come here. See this man, oh.
This man is already.
I don't go market.
Subhanallah, la ilaha illallah, Muhammad Rasulullah. Bada moa. Samugani.
Arona Sinapo. My last Gary don't take. Arona Sinapo. Because in our own time, I say Arona Sinapo. Arona Sinapo.
I want to sing.
Arona Sinapo.
And I gotta be that.
Olden days on day. Arona Sinapo.
Awa.
Pili na da ewo.
The Awa himself.
I say pili na da wada ewe.
I like this song.
This one you dey call me oh.
The Awa himself.
Nah, no dey praise me. I know say no be this guy. Where you just there. No carry your day come to affect my day. Let me drink this my garri with pride.
Hunger don't finish me inside. I thank God sir, I just hear your voice. I say I can't check what's in that phone.
I be hunger person.
I can't see Gary. I beg.
You see, this garri na my last food wey dey for house. No come carry your day come dey affect am. Just go back, go there your day. May I drink my garri. With peace of mind.
I beg.
With pride.
I just small like a thing.
I no get spoon. I no get 2 spoon. Na only one.
Spoon no go be problem now.
You even carry spoon.
I get my spoon.
Brother,
I beg. Now just small I go drink.
nah, this kind thing, nah, the kind where I dey hurt. Sit down now. I go like this thing. Drink small.
Now just small.
Drink small. Chai! Ebulu.
No, na mistake.
Na me wetin?
Na mistake na.
Ebulu, na me where you don.
No, na
Ebulu.
mistake.
Ebulu. Ama chụpụ gị mmụọ dọt. Etigbule m gị
One
taa.
mistake alone.
Ama lọpọchi gị mmụọ anya.
Awa, come out, man. Yarn you something. Awa.
Na who be that? Ebulu.
Na Ebulu na. Come out. I get something I want yarn you.
Na you throw away my car. You still get the liver. Come here. Come there. Knock abi.
Now where we go chop? Now I won't tell you so.
I hear go chop. I hear something go chop.
Tell me.
I dey hungry.
I just remember something. No say today na that Yahoo boy wedding.
Brother, your brain dey work. You know say I no go dey like this going.
I beg, do fast. Who will they go?
Still
I
rice.
totally forget.
I go.
And the first
I
thing
go
food
chop
for
rice. I go chop am. No. I dey tell you say we go chop today.
for me this opportunity.
We for miss am now. Thank God say your brain dey work. I think say your brain you no get brain again.
For just miss this opportunity. Like
Now that lane where you dey.
this side.
I carry my spoon. Oh.
Nah, true.
I hope so you carry your own.
I forget my spoon. See this mugo. I beg my rush go.
I think say your brain dey work.
I forget. You know, sir,
Come back
now.
quick. Eh? What this kind children?
See that mugo. You want use spoon pursue me? Beg man follow this side go the wedding. When they there, they wait.
Don't go. What's this man they do for you? Nah. Suppose they chop. By now, we're not supposed to chop. I need to. When you go, where? Why you come west time?
I beg. No, they ask me nonsense.
Where we they go?
I beg, wait till you carry me go house.
Waiting.
I forget what I go find for house now.
You the craze? No. Tata not there your head. No. Tata not there your head.
Why they shout? Tell me what you carry me go house now.
You go house, go collect my prick. Idiot. So you no carry spoon. You there here now. There. You don't waste my. This thing na 3 hours. Oh.
How far now?
Brother.
What did happen
How
here?
We
You don't come back?
come back from where? Na me and Ebulu dey since morning. We dey go for that Yahoo boy wedding now. Say make we
Which
go.
wedding? Wait, we don't finish. I see a bully from there now.
Oh, no be Ebulu.
I see a bully there.
We na there where we dey go. They don dey do am abi. They don start.
Don't finish. I see a bully even chop 10 plates of rice.
Ebulu.
I see a bully there.
This Ebulu. Ebulu how far now?
I dey like.
I dey here dey wait for you now.
The worst part they say, I'm not even belleful.
You did. Well, think I go use chuck this man. You
Yeah.
still get mine.
Yeah,
Let me say you don't believe who.
I won't go
If
this
you
house.
see wedding.
You.
If you see wedding.
Oh brother, wait. Wait. I know say sometimes you dey carry nylon or all those kind of things go memena. Which one will you carry come back? I think say.
Now this intention as well. I no go even reach me.
I hear Choncho rice there. May I come follow Nana?
Your father. I mean you are real dad.
Where this compound people now? Everybody still dey sleep. I go bring out my goat to make you chop that. My goat no dey here. The goat wey I keep for here now. I bring this goat in last night now. Free am now. Papa Chibueze o! Papa Chibueze!
Now waiting now.
Abeg come. I no see my goat. I no see am. Goat wey I just bring in last night. Come keep am. I follow am away mo.
You mean say that goat wey you carry come here last night no dey
I
here?
no see am. See the place where I keep am now. I no see am last night. I no see am. Hey! Anybody wey carry my goat make him bring am o.
Check am
I
am. E dey sure na if Jewu on there but
no dey sure na. I just carry the goat come keep there. No be here where they keep am. No be here. No be here now. Na here where they keep am.
anybody wey na keep this goat
Anybody compound people.
Maka Chineke, anybody wey na keep this goat
I no dey play with my goat o.
for this early morning.
I buy am cost. I buy am 2 cost. I beg anybody.
Papa Chibueze. Okay, now this one we just like fire where they used to do ritual. What's happened now? I guess something I want to ask you. Your wife travel. I never see her for like 2 days now.
Yes, so she travel. She go village. You know say they steal our goat today. You know, make she go village come back. That person wey steal that goat, him go suffer. Make she go come back.
Jesus! Awa, come out to come follow me here outside the here.
Every time. Now waiting now.
Come for ask him waiting tell me. Ask him.
Wetin you tell this guy? We come dey shout my name. See how in the sweat like a goat wey missing period. Now waiting.
I tell am say my wife travel go village because of that our goat wey dey steal.
Now which village be that? May I just ask and I ask where I just dey ask.
Na I don't do this work.
I don this one.
Hey!
Why now? He no even ask us. He no even ask us say our now where my goat to go. Come there. You know say I dey love goat meat na. I'm like one ewu. No we I think agwa.
And my wife na pericom my daughter.
I can what by your door, your handle pericom my daughter. I know they like all those. You see, you dey hear wetin dey talk. Person go just him no come see him goat, him no come ask.
I dey suspect to be like say na two of you wey chop that goat.
Chop wetin I don't chop goat.
Don't worry.
Wait, so with
I don't chop goat.
Don't worry, ma go my friend house. I dey come. I dey here. Make she come back.
I don't chop goat.
Chai!
Oh, I know where the otwo. I know where the motu who. Chai! We don't die.
Oh, don't finish.
Musa, call lead us for morning prayer.
Allah bro mana kai.
Wow.
Da an kwame. Da an kwame. Allah bro
Now
mana.
what's that they go today? Moves.
Ranka dai da an kwame. An kwame ranka dai. Ko sai wani abu. Tunda aka zaba ni yi addu'a din bai choose me make I do the prayer. Ai zan yi saboda landlord din yana cikin our mix.
Your mouth, your papa landlord. Now because you dey owe me 6 months and 4 days, now you make you want mommy. So I dey here. I know they mix.
Chicken our mix.
Chicken your papa, your mama.
A chicken mix na.
You know the shame. Pray me will come out for here.
Ya tashi me ya. Tapa mu. Yawa. Allah gurin mana ku cire takalmina, kun cire kulana. Kowa ya tashi.
pray na make person come out for here.
Father, thank glory. Kowa clap your hand, not just clap your hand.
Usa pray na. Alando.
All this kind thing.
A cikin sunan Yesu. Da Ubangiji. Ga landlord ga dan ankwabe. Landlord tana nan you dey disturb me wallahi.
If you cost me there much more, you dey go tomorrow.
Father wait there for heaven. The time da kaji haushi ka kasa ɗin nan shine ka shiga cikin coci ka kore you enter church wallahi you kore all the mutanen da yake cikin coci ya Allah duk ɗaya ne ga landlord mu Allah a kore shi da an kwabe Allah a kore shi ta don sai zaɓani so da landlord doka ni kaman kyatuka mun gama addu'a din fa kowa ya tapa mu tapa mu
Papa mo.
Musa, your heart too much for this compound.
In pray.
kwabe landlord kowa ya tashi
I know my name.
Landlord.
Landlord and Kwabe. Landlord and Kwabe.
Landlord.
Okpade. My caretaker.
Landlord, you get problem wey dey get for this year.
Jesus must go with fire. Set this
Person no dey
house on
sleep again for
fire.
night.
Nothing happen.
You see this Agnes wey just enter this compound new.
This
Na
house,
so she just dey sing. The person no dey sleep.
Oh Lord.
If not, that is song, nothing come out now.
If na so, if not na so no concern me na. They go sing for auto, she go use bass dey sing am. The song go just dey
For me.
tire.
So what you dey tell me na true?
Open your ear now, you go hear. Don't hear am. Make no be like say they gossip am.
Set this house on fire.
Wait,
God.
Agnes! Wait! How's why I use my money build? Agnes!
Wait here.
Come outside!
Wait here.
So what my caretaker dey tell me na true? Fire every here na mountain of fire.
Ah.
Huh?
Set this house on
Agnes,
fire.
come here. Huh? So what my caretaker dey tell me na true? Fire! I don't dey sweat. Huh?
Oga landlord, wait here.
Here na church, na mountain of fire be this. Huh? You want where before person go wake up in the morning, people go dey smell barbecue. Huh? You go pack comot for this compound.
Back.
You dey pack comot sharply. You know the waste time.
Back.
This year, you dey pack comot.
Landlord.
Caretaker, she go pack comot.
Remember say I just pack into this compound last week.
Okay, now you make you want turn my house upside
And
down.
na for 6 years I pay now.
6 waiting.
And you remember say you go give me free 1 year bonus.
No be 7 years be that.
Her packing no be even today o.
Na the 7 years. She go soon comot.
Wait, I don't want that nonsense. I beg.
Enter
When
your
I leave in my jolly for
Enter
this
your
compound.
house. Ma, hear what?
wahala compound.
Cho. See wetin.
Landlord, he be relaxing them mom. No wahala. Come I go show you toilet where they leak. Come.
She still dey sing.
He be relaxing them
Na
mom.
for your room. The fire go enter. No be for my house. Your room alone on top of your bed. Na grace dey work. Abeg caretaker go show me where the thing dey.
Fire, burn them. Yeah, my eyes. Who did this compound? Pepper, oh, my eyes. Oh. Una too wicked for this compound. Eh? Nobody fit come and help me. Ah! Jesus, my eyes. Ah!
Sorry, when I say like this, what happened?
You don't come back. If you don't come back, go inside now. We don't.
Musa,
They talk
don't
with
say
the
happen,
best. They talk with the fella. You there? Maybe you just go. Very come, my daughter.
Kalanda have come look for you, wallahi.
Didn't tell you why they look for me.
You not telling me anything, wallahi.
Ah. No wala na maybe I enter my house just come back.
Mutane na jira shashasha mutanen wofi. Amma su sani abin da suka yi.
Oya Musa, come this side. Oh, baby. Oya, everybody, Mona, come this side. Mona, come outside. Everybody, all my tenants. Oya Musa, Oya. Mona, come. Oh, baby. Everybody, all my tenants. Mona, come outside. Both the small ones and the big ones. Oya, Mona, come outside.
This Ayakata compound.
Every day wahala, every day problem. I work for you. I still not rest for this compound.
Mona, sit down, man. Sit down
I
now.
beg, don't sit
Go
down.
rest.
The land in the Lord.
Sit down.
Now for this year.
Make I give una this announcement. I want make this compound. Mo will do end of the year party. For this compound.
Landlord.
You
You are blind. You are blind. They
No
walk.
come insult me before you go come out. Una don dey happy? I never talk finish.
Landlord.
Una know wetin e go cost to use arrange this party, and we go need money for food and drink. Thank God say Mama Chibweze goat. Ngbe your hakaji lakaji. Oya dem ma. The goat we go
Which
use.
goat? I beg all and there. Which goat wey you dey talk about? The goat wey person get mind go inside where the place where I keep the goat. The person go snap am. Go snap am with clear eye.
Mama Chibweze. Which day this one happen?
Don't carry your day come for where me I dey abeg.
Which day this one happen?
E happen since 3 days o. Since 3 days because the thing shock me. E shock me well well. If you see how this thing take shock me you go know. Because the person wey eat them don touch lion for tail.
Machibese, what do you mean by the person don't touch lion for tail?
You see this Mama Chibweze. This Mama Chibweze no be good woman. He no even ask neighbors if una don see goat. Imalela know where the boat was. Landlord, you know now. You know.
Wetin you mean? Wait, no, tell me wetin you call mean now. The thing wey you mean be say I no know wetin I dey talk abi. The thing wey me I know say that person wey thief that goat and the people wey follow chop am, I don already do the deal. Anything wey happen to them, that one no concern me again o.
Chai!
Our own don't finish.
Wetin una I no dey understand. My brain don wetin una dey talk? Wetin una mean say people wey chop the goat don enter wahala? Wetin happen?
Our don't kill us.
Eh?
Our don't kill us. Eh?
Now they make me fear. Machibese, what thing go happen to people wey eat the meat and the person wey cook the meat?
See, may I tell you, anybody wey thief that meat and the people wey follow chop am, they go shit for 30 good days. 30 days. Na 30 days I give them. They go shit for 30 days.
You know
30
the budget.
This one wey Ebulu dey rush enter toilet. Wetin happen?
You see Ebulu. The time where they cook the meat, they got the meat.
Ashe awa ai kuna suka saka ragun. Ashe is two of you that join hand and started that go to wallahi.
We don't be thief.
Wallahi let's
Wetin that they talk? Na him first go do testing for that meat. Now why you go rush enter? Una remember that goat, that meat. Where una eat? That my birthday 3 days ago. That goat be that.
Allahu
My wife goat.
Even you follow chop my meat. You follow chop my meat. I go follow this.
Mama
Thank God I
Chibweze.
don't even give my husband the meat.
Mama
Thank God I
Chibweze.
don't give her. Wetin?
That is where I give your husband main drop for you. That day. Now the meat where I use cook am o.
Hey, so wetin I do understand reach me oh. Thank God say my husband no even chop the meat sef.
Machibese, I thief one meat from that food where they give me that dough.
Hey!
I form it.
No! My husband